Coach homes, also referred to as secondary dwelling units, ultimately are small, detached, tiny homes in backyards, becoming a trend across all of North America. These secondary homes are popular for a number of reasons, either as rental income, a granny suite, student housing, or running a home-based business. This project in particular is extremely unique because 2 coach homes are built between 2 adjoining neighboring properties, also in an extremely dense packed urban environment. Low impact at 400 square feet, positioned in an extremely limited backyard space of approximately 1,000 square feet, ultimately maximizing the allowable build area of 40% backyard space. Therefore, a great example of how a coach home can be ultimately built on any property, regardless of size. In addition to a 400 square foot main floor, these homes also have a 400 square foot basement totaling 800 square feet. Most bylaws limit the overall height of these homes at 12 feet, so adding a basement is a great way to maximize your investment for a minimal additional cost that a basement provides. Taking it one giant step further, these are built according to the passive house construction model. You see those few solar panels on the roof system. They actually produce the equivalent amount of energy as the home consumes on an annual basis. No gas required, just ultimate energy conservation. We are talking about affordable sustainability at its freaking best, with over 90% renewable recycled material content, 90% less heating and cooling energy demand. It does one simple thing: allows you to live extremely healthy, comfortable, and extremely affordable with next to no monthly utility bill. Go passive.